We're going to talk about the pattern that I chose to recreate the look from our current First Lady, Dr. Jill Biden. If this is something that you are interested in, please stay tuned. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in to our first Sunday First Lady in Fashion episode. This is going to be a 12-part series. I'm going to do one episode per month on our First Ladies or past First Ladies of the United States. And it's this is a, what do you call it? Oh my gosh. Election year. And because of the election year, I thought this is one of the things that I would tackle for this year. This is not going to be a political thing. I just randomly chose 12 of our former first ladies to recreate one of their looks that I thought that I possibly could recreate. So for this month, January, we're going to do our current first lady, Dr. Jill Biden. So let's get started and let's talk a little bit about Dr. Biden. So before I show you the inspiration photo, I wanted to throw out a few fun facts about her. She is our current First Lady. She is married to our President, Joe Biden. She's an educator. She is the founder of the Biden Breast Health Initiative, which is a nonprofit organization. She is the co-founder of the Book Buddies program, as well as the Biden Foundation. If you'd like to learn more about her, just look her up on the internet. You will find a wealth of information about her. So I would like to show you the look that I chose to recreate for Dr. Biden. So it is this dress right here. This is an A-line dress. It has a lemon print on it. I thought this was beautiful. I thought it was a nice casual yet elegant look to recreate. And so I went on my journey to look for a pattern that I could use to recreate the look. Now, when we're recreating looks, you don't have to necessarily do the same exact print or whatever. You use the photo to inspire you to do whatever it is that you want to do. In my case, I wanted to do this look because I thought, first of all, I love lemon print on fabric. Don't ask me why. That's just one of the things that I like to see. So I looked through my stash of patterns to see which dress that I could find that would closely mimic this A-line dress that she's wearing in the inspiration photo. So the pattern that I chose was Simplicity 8981. This is an easy to sew pattern. Now, when making my dress, I did not record it because one of the things that I do often is I will put in my pattern number in the YouTube search bar to see if there's a tutorial on it or any other information on it that I should maybe know about. So when I put this information into the search bar for YouTube, Rochelle.Handmade.Designs has a tutorial on this dress already. So therefore, I didn't record any of my process on this particular dress because she had a very good, very thorough tutorial on it, and I will link it in my description box below. So let's talk about this pattern. This pattern is an easy to sew pattern. On the inspiration photo, her sleeves were short sleeves, so I was initially looking for a short sleeve dress. Mind you, that's not very important because even if it was long sleeve, you can always shorten the sleeve. Her dress looks like there might have been a couple of pleats in the front, but my dress does not have that. So 89, 81, like I said, it's an easy to sew Mrs. dress. I chose pattern size 14 based on a couple of things. I did my measurements, as I always take my measurements before cutting out any of my patterns. However, I did that and noticed that I only had the size 6 to 14, so I had no choice but to cut out the 14. What I should have done was graded in the midsection and just added just a tad bit. I probably could have went maybe a ½ inch on each side just for a tad bit more ease. Other than that, I'm satisfied with the 14 that I cut out. But however, I should have made those adjustments just for the little bit more ease that I would have needed in the dress. So a little bit about this pattern. It is a pull-on style, center front. It has a pull-on style dress. It has center and front. It has center seams in the front and back of the dress. It is an OB style belt. It is a dress, and the dress has various lengths on the pattern, as well as there is the option of not having the belt at all. And the pattern says that it is suitable for light to medium weight fabrics. The fabric that I chose was a cotton. This is just a quilter's cotton from Hobby Lobby. It was the best lemon print that I could find from going to Hobby Lobby and Joann's that had a little darkness to it. So this has like a navy stripe in the background. Everything else had like a white background. And although this is probably a springtime dress, those really look springtime. And I needed some kind of darkness in the fabric. And this was the best that I could find, which I'm very satisfied with. Now, I did view B. So the difference in view B and view A, they are the same, but on view A, the sleeve has a cuff, and I did not want to do the cuff. So therefore, I went with view B. Same belt style and everything, nothing different there. Would I make this pattern again? Yes. When I say this was extremely easy to sew, it took me 2 days to make it because I was just making it in the evening time after work, and I'm lazy. Do not ask me why, and I'm sure there are other people like this. When it comes to getting to the end where it's time to hem, it's just like, that is just such a task. It is really probably one of the easiest tasks of making the garment, but I just do a whole 2-year-old tantrum with it. So therefore, I didn't fix it until the next day when I completed all the hemming. I did the hem on the sleeve here. The hem, I created a facing because there's no facing for this. It has you to use bias binding, but I did not want to use that. So I created a facing, which I did not record a video of me creating a facing as well, because there's another video that Rochelle.Handmade.Designs made as well on creating a facing. So I will link that video as well in the description box below. So there was no need in me showing you how to do that when there's already information out there that's easy to follow, and you can do the same thing to any other dress. In the back, it's an opening, but it's an opening with it has like a loop, and you put the loop over the button. Now for me, I did not create the loop out of the little piece of fabric that the pattern calls for. I have some really, really small elastic, and I didn't bring a piece over here, but I think I should be able to show you. Yeah, I had this little really thin elastic. I hope you can see it right here. And it's really thin. So I just used that for my loop. It was white. It doesn't look bad. It blends in with the dress and it's fine. So that is what I use to create my closure. Very, very simple. So I hope that you enjoyed my my interpretation of the lemon dress that Dr. Biden is wearing in her inspiration photo. I enjoyed this. I think I'm going to enjoy this entire series. And whether you agree with their political views or not, that's not what this series is about. This series is about simply recreating the look. So next month, please tune in because we are going to do Michelle Obama. And we all know that she has an array of looks. And I'm so torn at what look I would like to create. So as I look forward to that video, I want to say thank you for tuning into the first episode. I really had a blast trying to recreate this look. It was awesome. I like this dress. Very comfortable make, guys. This is a dress you could wear. You could wear this to work. You could wear this to church. So I think you will really enjoy making this pattern. Again, it was Simplicity 8981. And as always, guys, you are so awesome. And thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys next month on the next episode where we'll be featuring Sew the Look of Michelle Obama. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.